Can a landlord requiring tenants to have renters insurance? Have you ever wondered if landlords can ask their tenants to have renters insurance? This is a common question in the world of real estate investing. The answer is yes. Landlords can indeed requiring tenants to obtain renters insurance as part of their lease agreement. While this requirement is not mandated by law, it serves as a protective measure for both the landlord and the tenant. Renters insurance typically covers two main areas: liability and personal property. Liability coverage is particularly important for landlords. It protects them from potential lawsuits if a tenant accidentally damages someone else's property or causes an injury. Common liability coverage limits usually range from $50,000 to $100,000 or more. On the other hand, personal property coverage is generally optional but can be very helpful for tenants. It protects their belongings against theft or damage. This means if a tenant's items are stolen or damaged, they can file a claim to recover their losses. From a real estate investing standpoint, requiring renters insurance can be a smart strategy. It helps reduce risks associated with tenant damage and ensures that tenants are financially prepared to handle their own losses. However, landlords need to find a balance. Setting the coverage limits too high might discourage potential tenants, while setting them too low could leave the landlord exposed to greater risks. If a tenant does not obtain or maintain renters insurance as required by the lease, landlords have several options. First, they can request proof of coverage and reminded tenants of their responsibilities. If the tenant still does not comply, landlords might issue a notice to cure or quit. This notice informs the tenant that they need to fix the issue or face potential eviction. Incorporating renters insurance requirements into lease agreements can be a wise practice for real estate investors. It not only protects the landlord's investment but also gives tenants peace of mind knowing their belongings are covered. So, if you are a landlord or a tenant, understanding renters insurance can make a significant difference in your rental experience.